Today we are gonna go and discuss about Laos eVisa. It is straightforward process as well, like other Southeast Asian eVisa applications. First, you need to land to this Lao eVisa Gov LA, which is official website. Then you can go to check the eVisa fee. Depends on your country. It depends on the country, but most of the time it's 50 USD. For example, I'm checking my country and it shows 50 USD, and then you can click apply now, or you can land here. It will give you the notice that where you can enter Laos with this eVisa. So there's a couple of borders, couple of like destinations that you can enter, the border cross that you can use to enter Laos with this eVisa, and the Laos eVisa fee is non-refundable, etc., etc. So you can read this and also terms and conditions. I just click agree and then continue, and then from here you can check your visa status if you applied already. If you didn't apply, just click apply now button and then choose your country. I choose my country, and then what kind of passport you are using. Most of the time you are using ordinary passport, just choose ordinary passport. Email address, enter your email address. I enter this one. Okay, and then pass this captcha. Let's say 103301, and then next. We are waiting. Okay, so we need to refresh. Okay, let's this 928104. See? Okay, so it will send the pin code. I'm gonna go and enter this pin code here. So here we are. I enter the pin code. Let's see, what is the pin code? 9402. 9402. It's automatically verifying your account. Then it asks you to upload your picture. I just choose okay, browse the file. So I upload the same picture that I used for the Vietnam visa because it's useful. I just click yes, upload. Then passport photo. I choose the passport. The covers whole bio page. Okay, so my passport contains this, so I just upload this. Yes, upload. Okay, let's go down. So here we have the details already attached automatically, but still you need to fill out some details. I put the phone number again, 994711111. Okay, occupation, I put here software engineer. And then residential address, which is the address in your country, or you are registered maybe in another country, you can put that one as well. I put here. And then you choose your birthday, it's already chosen. State, province, I put here, let's choose this first. And then you can put here your city. Let's say I put here Baku again, Baku. And then nationality or citizenship, again I choose my country. And then the travel details, passport number is here. Date of issue, okay, let's choose some date. Open this calendar. Oh, this calendar is easier than other calendars. Okay, I choose random date, and then expire date is here. Country, passport. Okay, I choose again my country, and then travel details, like what date you plan to enter. As you can see, you can enter from these airports, this Lao Thai friendship bridge, and then this international checkpoint, and then another friendship bridge, and then this with this railway. So I choose intended date. Let's say I'm gonna go to Laos, let's say 15 January. and then what kind of car you will enter with, or with the flight. If you enter with the flight, you need to put the flight number. If you're not gonna go and enter with the flight, I mean, you didn't book yet and you don't want to book, you just want to get your visa first, you are like suspicious to go, so you can book your ticket again from the TiketVisa, and then it will give you like airline code, flight code, etc., PNR code, etc., and then you can use that code. So in this case, let's say you can, if you book the train, you can put the train number, booking number, or bus booking number, or bus number. In this case, I'm just gonna go and put the AirAsia flight number here again. So scroll down. We have travel details, purpose of trip. I just choose the travel. You can choose visit others as well, but I highly recommend to choose travel. And then address during the visit, the hotel address or hostel address where you will stay. I'm gonna go to Luang Prabang, and I'm gonna choose one hostel there or hotel there. So let's say I'm gonna stay here. I'm just giving an example. Say choose hotels. It's one of the best places in Laos. You should visit, by the way. So let's choose this Mary Riverside Hotel. Let's see, their address is appearing. Yes, appearing. So what you do, you put the hotel address and hotel name, so it can be more clear for the immigration officer who is gonna go and check this application. So I put hotel name as well to make sure everything is clear. Next destination, you can put, for example, you are gonna go to another city in Laos or another country, you can put there, but it's optional. I just don't do anything. I click agree, continue, and you can see it give my all details, and then I'm gonna go click continue. And the next step is a payment. As you can see, it's automatically charging 1.75 bucks, which is like a fee, bank fee. So we have nothing to do, we just click continue. If you want to add more people, let's say you travel with your wife or with your girlfriend or with your brother, family, you can add all of this and then pay all in one. And then I click continue, and then it asks me to pay with these three options, which is international option that I have right now, MasterCard, credit card, or you can choose Union Pay or WeChat if you are coming from China or if you are using Chinese payment gateways. And then let's click here, proceed to checkout. Yes, I agree. Click pay, and then it will take me to this page where I can fill out my billing details and pay my visa fee. Then it will take 3 to 5 business days again. It's around 7 calendar days, maybe 8 calendar days, then you will get your visa. But during that time, I highly recommend again to check your application, come back to website again, allow a visa to this website and check your application, because it gives you application ID, your passport number you know already, which is your application ID gonna be, I already passed that stage. Let's go back. Oh, I go back already. Yeah, application ID that they give, it's also sending to you as an email. So you will go and check this during the waiting process. So maybe they require extra document or extra something. So you keep in touch with them basically. So I'm gonna share another part of my screen that when I applied, I went to Laos only one time, and when I apply, what they sent me and what kind of emails I got. So here you can see when I apply Laos visa, they sent me a couple of emails. First is verify my email, and then verify your email address again, Laos visa received, invoice unpaid, invoice receipt, application ID, etc. Like all these emails you will get. The last email you will get is approved, your Laos visa is approved. You can see application ID is this one, thank you, blah 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 blah. And you can download your eVisa as a PDF file to your device, to your mobile phone or laptop, doesn't matter. to show to the immigration officer. Yeah, anyways, when you arrive there, if you arrive from land borders, they will ask a couple of questions, and they will ask you like, oh, where you will go after, let's say you enter, let's say from the Luang Prabang border. You can say, I'm gonna go to Vientiane, let's say the capital city or another city. After Laos, where you will go, let's say you can say Vietnam or Thailand, anything else, but when I arrived there, they asked me like, oh, you have a bus ticket or flight ticket? No, sorry. They asked me like, do you have a flight ticket? I say, I have a bus ticket. They say, no, bus ticket is not allowed. So you should book you should have a flight ticket. I just book again Onward ticket that I booked before I entered to the Laos, and I show to the immigration officer. And when you arrive to the airport or land border, they will ask you to fill out one form. I will add this form to the blog post as well. So you can have a ready form before you arrive, or if you want, you can just practice. But when you arrive, they will give you form definitely to fill out that form that shows that, oh, where you will go, what you will do in Laos, blah 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 blah, like a kind of itinerary. And then after you fill out this form, you are good to go. You can enter Laos, enjoy Laos, which is a very, very rare nature you can see in Laos, and very beautiful people there. Okay, that is all about the Laos eVisa. Have a nice trip for you in the Laos. Enjoy your Southeast Asia trip.